The next topic is the principle of deliberation. Now, what do you mean by deliberation? It means a long and careful discussion about how to frame the constitution. See, all the provisions, all the articles, all the acts, all the clauses, they all were debated. They were discussed. They were scrutinized in detail through public reason. I told you earlier what is public reason? By giving proper proof, by giving proper reasoning, by giving your opinion in a proper manner. And then the conclusion was resolved. So this way, our constitution was thoroughly discussed and then drafted. See, there were many differences in opinion. Like, should India adopt a centralized or decentralized system of government? Should be the relations between the states and central government? What should be the powers of the judiciary? Almost every issue was discussed with great sophistication. Only, children, you will be surprised to know that just one provision of the constitution was passed without any debate. What was that provision? That was the introduction of universal suffrage, meaning that all citizens reaching a certain age would be entitled to be voters, irrespective of religion, caste, education, gender, or income. No members felt any need to discuss on the issue of who should have the right to vote. Okay, so this way, this principled reasoning, okay, it made a very strong constitution. Now the next topic is procedure. Procedure means how was the path adopted to frame the constitution. What was the exact procedure? See, for drafting this constitution, there were 8 major committees and there were 8 different heads of these committees. Who all were there? Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel, or B.R. Ambedkar. So these were the men. No doubt they drafted constitution, but there was always difference in their thinking. Like Ambedkar had been a bitter critic of the Congress and Gandhiji. Why? For he used to say that they did not do enough for the upliftment of scheduled caste. At the same time, Patel and Nehru, they also disagreed on many issues. But still, they all worked together. The discussion was a healthy discussion, subject to public opinion, public reason. And an attempt was made to reach a consensus with the belief that provisions agreed to by all. And all these members of the Constituent Assembly, they met for how many days? They met for 116 days spread over 2 years and 11 months. These debate sessions were open to the press and to the common public also, who wanted to see that how our constitution writers were working and how they are framing India's future.